students, today we are discuss about plastids. Plastids present in the eukaryotic cells. It also responsible for the photosynthesis. It also storage of product like starch. Storage of products. Plastids are thought to have originated from the endosymbiotic cyanobacteria. Endosymbiotic is a evolving process originated from endosymbiotic cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria. And they developed around 1500 million years ago. 50 million 100 million years ago. Plastids are main three types. Plastids are main three types: chloroplast, chromoplast, and leucoplast. Chloroplast, chromoplast, and leucoplast. Three are the main types of plastids. The next point we are talking about the etioplast. Etioplasts are pregranular. Etioplasts are pregranular. Granule. Etioplasts are immature chloroplast. Immature because lack of activation pigments. Lack of activation pigments. The plastids or proplastids are three types. First is the chloroplast. Chloroplast is a site of photosynthesis and it present in a plant cell. It also form endosymbiotic theory and it present in a leaves. So it is the site of photosynthesis. Is found in also eukaryotic cell. The second main type is the chromoplast. Chromoplast is a pigment synthesis and storage. Pigment synthesis and storage. It is a function of chromoplast. So the third type is leucoplast. The leucoplast is observed in epidermal cell of root. Basically, the epidermal cell present in a root. Leucoplast for monoterpene synthesis. It is also monoterpene synthesis. Monoterpene synthesis. And it is further differentiated into the three types. Amyloplast, ileoplast, and proteineoplast. Amyloplast first, second is the ileoplast. So first we are talking about the amyloplast. Amyloplast for starch storage and detecting gravity. It is function as the storaging of starch and detecting the gravity. Amyloplast. It is a type of leucoplast. So the next differentiation is the leoplast. The leoplast for the storing fats. storing fats. So the third differentiation is proteineoplast. Proteineoplast is a modifying protein. According to scientist Andreas Franz William Champer says proteineoplasts are differentiation kinds of plastids can transfer into one another. So this is all about the differentiation of plastids. So the next point we are discuss about the chloroplast. Most of the important plastids is chloroplast found in plant cell and present in a leaves of plants. Chloroplast was first suggested by the Russian biologist. Chloroplast was first suggested by the Russian biologist Konstantin Mary Suchkovsky in 1905. He was suggested first chloroplast. After the one scientist is studied chloroplast in details. The name of scientist is Andreas Franz William Champer. Andreas Champer. The N will be mistaken. He was observed in 1883 that chloroplasts are closely resemble with cyanobacteria. So the next is formation of chloroplast. The theory was behind is the endosymbiotic theory or endosymbiosis or formation of chloroplast. In this theory is leading evolutionary theory of origin of eukaryotic cell from the prokaryotic organism. Let us see in video. This is the prokaryotic cell engulfed by the eukaryotic cell. After some time, formation of chloroplast. The next we are talking about the what is the procedure actually. In short, this is eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell. In eukaryotic cell, true nucleus is present. So this is eukaryotic cell, and this one is the rounded structure supposed to be prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell nuclear material is not membrane bounded. Eukaryotic cell engulf the prokaryotic cell. So this is the prokaryotic cell inside the eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell surrounded by the prokaryotic cell. So in the center the prokaryotic cell and outermost is the eukaryotic cell. So this one is the eukaryotic membrane and surrounded by the prokaryotic cell. After some time, the formation of chloroplast are seen after a long time. Hence, this called evolutionary theory of origin of eukaryotic from the prokaryotic cell and chloroplast.